Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a gorgeous Nomad, 1956. It's a pro touring setup, absolutely gorgeous. Got Benny here as an Telso note about him. How you doing today, Benny?
Good, how are you?
Man, what a pretty car.
Thank you. When I got it, I just did front disc brakes on it.
Mm-hmm.
I changed the carb and manifold to a Durashine carbon manifold, and I put a Madsen radiator and core support. It doesn't have air, but it's set up for air.
Okay. So if you ever wanted to put vintage air in it, it'd
Exactly.
be pretty easy to do.
Like I said, the holes are already in the core support, and I have the radiator that goes with it that'll come with the car.
Yeah, that Madsen is a beautiful piece. We'll get to that in just a moment. What do we have under the hood?
It's a 327 with the double hump heads and a Durashine 4-barrel carburetor.
Oh, Muncie 4-speed.
Muncie 4-speed in it. That's the original period for the car.
Power steering, power brakes.
Yes.
You see when you did the disc brake conversion up front, it's got drilled drilled rotors. Keep things nice and cool. They're pretty fresh too.
And those rims, you know better than me what they are. Those are the
those are two-piece Billet specialty forged wheels. Then he's got 17s up front. They're 215/60 R17s, like brand new tires. And then back here, these are 255/55 R18. Beautiful straight body.
Runs, handles great. No problems. I do parades.
Yeah.
Never overheats.
You drive it a lot, right?
Only shows, and I mean, I really don't drive it. I have another car that I drive more than this one.
Yep.
But yeah.
Very cool. How many miles do you think you put on it since you owned it?
Maybe 1,500. That's it.
I know, it's almost too pretty to drive. Man, beautiful paint, chrome, stainless. Super straight body. Man, you just don't see him around like this, Benny.
Well, I loved it. I found it was a Barrett Jackson car.
Yep.
And I found it online in Connecticut about 8 years ago.
Let's check out under the hood. Man, awesome. This radiator core support is gorgeous. Beautiful aluminum radiator. You can see like the fitment, the build quality is gorgeous.
Those are the holes to run the air condition lines.
You run the condenser through there. Beautiful build quality.
And what I did was I actually designed that radiator. Usually the radiator is either the front of the core support or the back. I had them make it so it's right in the middle. They made the core support around it.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
It's just something that I
just
wanted
fits
to
nice.
do. I never saw one, so it looked good.
So the motor, 327. It's a lump head motor, power steering, power brakes. Big aluminum, electric fan. Looks like a 3200 CFM. MSD wires, regular manifolds, dropping down to a dual exhaust. Edelbrock valve covers, kind of give it that old school Offenhauser look. This Durashine carburetor he's talking about, matched up with an Edelbrock high-rise Durashine EPS intake manifold. Billet intake and outlet on the water. Chrome master cylinder, chrome alternator. It's got a flamethrower coil back there. Flamethrower distributor, all electronic. Braided lines.
The grill is brand new. It's a brand new aluminum grill. Around the headlights and around the directionals is all new.
Beautiful. A lot of bling up here. flat black under the hood. Or satin. Interior is just as nice as the outside. I noticed the shortened wheel right away. Gives it a really nice look. Gives you a little more leg room. Beautifully finished door panels. Red seat belts to match. You can see it's a real VC car. Pretty cool. Moon RPM gauge. Gorgeous. Must get a lot of compliments, Penny, huh?
It does well. I mean, it's been on the cover of a lot of magazines. It wins best in show a lot. I have more trophies than I can handle. My wife throws them out every year.
You start all over.
Yep.
Vintage sound. It's got aux in. Does it have Bluetooth? Yeah.
No.
Okay. Muncie 4-speed with a Hurst shifter. Correct ball. Seat belts all the way around. Man, look at the ribs back here. That is just awesome. He also has a sub underneath this seat. Looks like about a 10-inch sub, right?
I think it is.
Man, this interior is gorgeous.
It's all by, I believe, retro sounds.
Yeah, retro. Looks like Rockford Fosgate rounds. Man, this car is magnificent. Chevy probably, when they sold this brand new, they probably lost money on every single one they sold. It's just incredible with all the chrome and the stainless, you know.
And all the chrome and everything is still in there. It's, you know, it's all original.
Man, it's gorgeous. It's just fantastic. They did a great job building this car. Big money and hours in this, that is for sure. Benny, can you fire it up? Nice. Those heads give it a really nice lumpy sound, you know?
Yeah, I didn't want it loud.
Not too crazy, you know? It's a gentleman's car.
Break down, it runs nice.
Can we take it for a ride?
Sure.
Yeah, let's go. Sounds great. that line.
You know what? I forget, to be honest with you. And one of the reasons that I can't keep it is I just had a knee replacement, and it's tough on my left knee with the clutch.
Ah. Well, I know a lot of people who love to have it. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, weebyautos.com.